Hello students, this is the most important question series of biomolecule and this is the part 7. Today we will discuss the 5 number of questions, that is we will start with 31. Antibodies in our body, antibodies in our bodies, in our body are complex. First option is steroids. Second option is prostaglandins. Third option is glycoproteins. And D is lipoproteins. So antibodies in our body, that is antibodies are also called immunoglobulins. So these are nothing but the glycoproteins. These are the glycoproteins. That means the sugar is associated with the proteins. Then next one is, that is antiparallel strands. Antiparallel strands of a DNA molecule means that A option, that is the phosphate groups of 2 DNA, the phosphate groups of 2 DNA strands at their ends share the same position. B option, the phosphate groups at the start of 2 DNA, strands are in opposite position. C option is one strand turns clockwise, and D option, one strand turns anti-clockwise. So here the antiparallel means the 5 dash end. Suppose we do C like this. So this is 5 prime, this is 3 prime, this is 3 prime, and this is 5 prime. So 5 prime means it is attached to phosphate, and here also phosphate. So the correct answer is particularly the phosphate groups at the strand of 2 DNA strands are in opposite position. This opposite position is there. They are twisted. Then question number 33. An organic substance bound to an enzyme and essential for and essential for its activity is called first, that is holo enzyme. Second one, that is apo enzyme, and third one is iso enzyme, and coenzyme. So we have discussed this thing, that is the organic substance which is attached to the apo enzyme, what we call the cofactors, so which is loosely attached, what we have already discussed in our theory videos. So this is the correct answer is coenzyme. So the next question is, that is 34, an enzyme that can stimulate enzyme that can stimulate germination of barley seeds, is first option alpha amylase, second option lipase, third option that is protease, and fourth option that is invertase. So here what happened, we do find out the enzyme which stimulates the germination of barley. So barley is a carbohydrate rich seeds. So here what happens, the carbohydrates, the polysaccharides should be broken down, and the enzyme here mainly the alpha amylase. This alpha amylase plays the important role for mobilizing the reserve at the time of germination. So this is the correct answer. Question number 35. Nucleotides are building blocks. Nucleotides are building block. Nucleotides are building blocks of nucleic acids. Each nucleotide is a composite molecule formed by option first base sugar phosphate, B option base sugar hydroxyl group, C option base sugar phosphate N numbers, and D option that is sugar phosphate. So here important is nucleotide. Here we are seeing the nucleotide. So building block is mainly how this is formed. I have already discussed in the detailed structure in the videos. So here the nitrogenous base is there which will be attached here, and here the pentose sugar may be ribose, deoxyribose depending upon the RNA or DNA, and here the phosphate group is there. So these three are needed for the nucleotide. So the correct answer is base sugar phosphate, but you may get confused here, this one base sugar phosphate but N. So it is already a polynucleotide, not a nucleotide. So for nucleotide this is the base is required, nitrogenous base, maybe purine or pyrimidine, and here what happens, the sugar must be there, pentose sugar and the phosphate. So see how the question may get slipped. So this type of options also comes in exam. So we will see in the next important questions in next series, that is 8th one.